What if the world's largest cruise ship in 2026 has more thrills than ever, but a few classic favorites are gone? Today, we're spilling all the new secrets and what's mysteriously missing from Royal Caribbean's Icon class.
All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we unpack the biggest cruise news so you don't have to. Today, we're talking Royal Caribbean's Icon class for 2026, the ships that are redefining what a vacation at sea even means. Icon of the Seas started it, Star of the Seas doubled down, and now Legend of the Seas is coming in hot for summer 2026 with European sailings before heading to the Caribbean. We're doing this countdown style, from the biggest game changers that are new, down to the things that feel like they're missing compared to what you might expect from a Royal Caribbean megaship. Let's count them down.
Starting at number 10, the Aquadome. This is one of the most jaw-dropping new spaces on the entire Icon class. Picture a massive glass-enclosed dome at the front of the ship with 220-degree ocean views. During the day, it's a chill spot with pools, fountains, and acrobatic shows. At night, it transforms with a 55-foot shape-shifting waterfall, robotic arms, and multimedia projections. Why it's a secret weapon? It turns the front of the ship into an all-day entertainment hub you won't find on older classes. No more boring forward decks. This is next level.
Number 9. The all-new Surfside neighborhood. This entire section is designed exclusively for families with young kids. Think splash pads, family suites, nearby dining that actually works for little ones, and activities where parents and kids can play together without trekking across the whole ship. It's a game changer because previous ships scattered family stuff everywhere. Now it's all in one easy fun zone. If you're cruising with toddlers or young children in 2026, this is why Icon class feels revolutionary.
Coming in at number 8, Thrill Island and Chill Island. These two brand new top deck areas completely change how you use the pool deck. Thrill Island has the massive Category 6 water park with twisting slides, raft rides, and adrenaline stuff. Right nearby, Chill Island is all relaxation, infinity pools, swim-up bars, and quiet lounging. The secret? They're physically separated so thrill seekers and chill seekers don't fight over space. Genius layout that older ships just didn't have.
Number 7. The insane dining lineup. Icon-class ships boast more than 40 dining and drinking venues, including 20-plus brand new ones. From the Empire Supper Club with immersive entertainment, to new food halls in the Aquadome Market with global stalls, to unique concepts like the Hollywoodland Supper Club on Legend of the Seas. What's special? A huge mix of complimentary and specialty options, plus cooking classes for all ages. You won't go hungry, and the variety keeps things exciting every single night.
At number 6, Cabin Innovations. There are 14-plus different accommodation types, many completely new. The standout? The 3-story ultimate family townhouse that sleeps up to 10-plus with private slides, multiple bathrooms, and dedicated kid spaces. Also new, infinite balconies and multi-generational suites. The reason it matters: Icon class is built for big families and groups who want to stay together without feeling cramped. This is luxury reimagined for 2026 cruising.
Number 5. Hidden tech gems like the Pearl, a stunning light-filled centerpiece with innovative design. Plus app upgrades, faster elevators, and features like kit tracking options on some ships. These aren't flashy headline grabbers, but they make the whole experience smoother. Secret tip: the ship feels less crowded than you'd expect for its size, thanks to smart flow and technology.
Number 4, and this is super timely for 2026. Legend of the Seas brings fresh twists. Expect a new Hollywood-themed supper club, potentially a Charlie and the Chocolate Factory show or Royal Railway dining concept, and first-ever Icon-class European itineraries out of Barcelona before Caribbean repositioning. What's new here? Icon class finally hits the Med in a big way. If you've been waiting for these massive ships in Europe, 2026 is your year.
Number 3. Pools, pools, and more pools. Icon class has the most pools at sea, 9 different ones, including the largest pool, Royal Bay,
a suspended adults-only infinity pool at the Hideaway, swim-up bars, and family options. Why it feels new, every vibe is covered without the usual deck chaos. You can actually find your perfect spot. Runner-up at number 2, Adrenaline Central. Crown's Edge, a combo skywalk, ropes course, and thrill ride high above the ocean. Paired with the largest water park at sea, Category 6 with 6 wild slides. These aren't just add-ons, they're signature experiences that make Icon Class feel like a floating theme park. What's missing? The big surprises. And the number 1 secret, what's missing or different that might surprise you. While Icon Class keeps favorites like Central Park and the Royal Promenade, some classic Royal Caribbean elements feel scaled back or reimagined. You won't find the exact same layout as Oasis Class, no identical boardwalk or aqua theater in the same way. Certain specialty restaurants or entertainment venues from older ships are replaced with all new concepts. Also, expect more upcharge experiences alongside the included ones, and note that some traditional free areas now have hybrid pricing. The big missing feeling? That intimate, smaller ship vibe. These are massive floating resorts. Incredible, but if you love quiet nooks on older vessels, you'll need to seek them out in the new neighborhoods. Legend of the Seas adds unique dining twists, but core Icon DNA stays consistent across the class.
So there you have it, the biggest new secrets and what feels missing from Royal Caribbean's 2026 Icon Class ships. From the mind-blowing Aquadome and family-focused Surfside to the record pools and thrill zones, these vessels are pushing cruising into a whole new era. Legend of the Seas in 2026 is going to be epic, whether you're hitting the Med or the Caribbean. If you're booking an Icon Class cruise soon, drop your ship and sailing date in the comments. I'd love to know. Which new feature excites you most, and what do you wish was still there from older ships? Hit that like button if this helped you, subscribe for more cruise secrets and 2026 updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Safe sailing, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.